whereas the proximal end of the filament of stamen attached to. The filament of the stamen is a stalk-like structure that supports the anther where the pollen is produced. And the proximal end of the filament of stamen is attached to the thalamus or sometimes the petal of the flowers. So the answer is option D, thalamus or petals. Whereas coming to option A, anther, it is attached to the distal end of the filament. That is the farthest part of the filament from the flower base. So option A is incorrect. Option B, connective. So this refers to the tissue connecting two lobes of the anther, not where the filament is attached. So option B is also incorrect. Option C, placenta. Placenta refers to the part of the ovary to which the ovules are attached. So option C is also incorrect. The correct answer is option D.